Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send files from your iPhone to your Realme Narzo 50A Prime, but it also works on any Realme Narzo 50 series. So what we need to do is to download the apps on our Android phone and iPhone, and let's open App Store on our iPhone, and on our Android we'll need to open Google Play Store. Start searching for an app and write send anywhere. Select this app and press install. Now do the same thing on our iPhone. Select this app and download. We can already open it on our Narzo. Let's open it. I agree, confirm, continue, allow. So since we'll be receiving the files on our Narzo, we need to press on the Receive tab right here. Yes, I agree, and close the window. Now open the app on our iPhone. And here we'll need to allow much more permissions and all the stuff like that. Yes, I agree, and close the window. So the apps are ready on both of the devices, and we can start sending the files. So in our iPhone, right here above all the pictures, you'll see videos, contacts, files, but some still require permission, photos, videos, contacts and files. And you can pick any of this file and then send it to this phone easily. So to actually select any of this, you'll need to press in the bottom down corner of each picture to select it. You can do it with videos. Just select any video that you want. I'm not gonna do that because that just will take time, and and there's no need for that. Contacts, you can pick contacts also, and files as well. So I've picked 2 photos. Let's pick actually the third one, like this. And now in order to send it, press send. Got it. And in order to receive it on this phone, we'll need to copy that code right here. We can also scan QR code or share it with a link. But I'm just gonna use the code because I think that's the simple way. Enter the code, press OK. And we should start receiving files any second, but we'll still need to accept one permission on this phone. And the files are here, they are completed. We can open it. Let's make a comparison. And so there's these 2 photos, and as you can see, there's actually no difference between them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.